Buzz allows you to receive notifications from your teacher or your courses. To turn these on, click on your profile in the upper right-hand corner and go to Settings. From here, scroll down to where you see Scores and Feedback. Here you can choose when you want to be notified and how you want to be notified. SMS is a text message, email, and then how often, daily or weekly. If you choose SMS, remember that you will need to put in your cell phone number to get the text messages, and also know that those charges will apply. When you're done, click Save.